Nigeria has thankfully taken certain steps towards protecting her citizens by coming up with the Cybercrime Act of 2015, which is supposed to protect anyone who depends on technology or the internet in one way or the other. I'll be joined later on by an expert in this field. On our Tech Tips segment, I will share with you a simple way that you can deal with spam friend requests on Facebook. Our mobile app of the week makes it easy for you to learn new languages. And finally, there is a cool gift to be won on the giveaway segment, so you have every reason to stay with us. My name is Chukwemeka Agbata, and this is Spectrum.
Virtual reality headsets took center stage at Paris Games Week, where gamers had the chance to get off their couches and step into an immersive gaming experience. Visitors to Paris Sprawling Exhibition Center could test a number of headsets, including the PlayStation VR and Oculus Rift, which would transport them to a wide variety of worlds, from shooting scenarios to Formula One racing. The PlayStation VR, developed by Sony, is designed to project a virtual reality image in front of gamers' eyes that shifts as it tracks the movement of their head. For many video games fans, this was their first time testing the technology, and some were surprised at how real the VR landscapes really felt. Virtual reality is on the verge of the mass market as Facebook Incorporated own Oculus and Sony's PlayStation ready their consumer headsets for release in early 2016. It was all jokes and fun as winners of the 33rd Annual Golden Joystick Award ceremony picked up their awards in London. With over 9 million votes cast, this is the only gaming award ceremony in the world voted for by the gamers themselves. This year's jackpot, the Ultimate Game of the Year award, went to The Witcher 3: Wild Hunt. The Witcher has also collected awards for the Best Storytelling, Best Visual Design, and Best Gaming Moment. Mikhail Novakovsky, the Vice President for Business Development for CD Projekt behind The Witcher, said they never anticipated the game to become as successful with both players and critics.
We were extremely pleasantly taken with surprise when words of praise started rolling out from the players, from the gamers, and also from the critics.
The other big winner of the night was Grand Theft Auto. The game collected 4 awards, including the Innovation of the Year award for introduction of the first-person mode in GTA 5.
I want a picket fence and a husband.
The host of the award ceremony, British comedian and actor Danny Wallace, said the gaming industry has moved to a new level in the last few decades, with games becoming a family pastime rather than an activity only for children.
We're all growing up with it, you know. In the old days, people would say, oh yeah, games are for kids, and it would be mainly kids kind of playing it, and the grown-ups wouldn't really understand, and then those kids became grown-ups and started making games that they knew would be fun for the kids that they used to be. And then they grew up, and they have kids, and it'll just keep becoming that thing that families can share as well, and that mums and dads who played a game can play with their kids. It's another thing for us to share, and that just means that it will now be around forever. And I think as we have things like, like Apple TV, the new Apple TV is going to be very kind of, you can do lots of games on there as well. So it's moved from the upstairs bedroom into the living room, and it's at the heart of the family as well. And I think that is where it will stay.
Lifetime Achievement Awards went to the late CEO of Nintendo, Satoru Iwata, who passed away earlier this year. He received the award for his aim to make gaming less complex and open to everyone. 3 Indonesian telecommunications firms have signed an agreement to expand internet access through Google's Project Loon. Google's new holding company, Alphabet, is poised to bring greater internet access to Indonesia by solar-powered balloon. The Indonesian telecom firms have signed up to Project Loon. The plan is to send massive balloons 20 kilometers above the Earth's surface that give internet access through radio signals to antenna on buildings. The balloons are equipped to find the best winds to carry them along their chartered course. Alphabet and its partners plan to send hundreds of balloons up over Indonesia in 2016. They'll be used to spot where gaps in the service lie as part of testing before a full-scale service is launched. Indonesia has a population of over 250 million people spread over 17,000 islands. In a rare public appearance, Google co-founder and Alphabet Incorporated CEO Larry Page explained why he was spurred to create a whole new structure for the company he created with Sergey Brin almost 2 decades ago.
For me, I think it's really, can we push the envelope of what's possible for an innovative company with large resource to really do things that matter and to really innovate, and for that, to be a significant thing. I guess that's what I'm excited about doing now.